Then the third major important reason in females is tubal factor infertility. So in India, there are certain diseases which are very common, and they might affect the tubal factor. So basically, when we think of tubal fertility, that means there are fallopian tubes by the sides of the uterus, which needs to be patent for a patient, for a female to become pregnant. If their patency of the tubes is affected, then the female could not be pregnant by natural means. So there are certain diseases which are very prevalent in India, like tuberculosis, which if a female is having a history of tuberculosis in the past, like in childhood, or if that female's any family member had tuberculosis, then in these patients they might be having some problem in tubal patency, so it has to be tested. Another factor which results in tubal factor infertility is sometimes females, they have some vaginal discharge problem for very long time. So the vaginal infections, they may convert into pelvic infections, and then it may result in tubal factor problems. Also, there is a disease known as endometriosis, in which there are certain cells or some pathologies developed in the pelvic cavity, that means inside the abdominal cavity, and then that adhesions, they results in tubal factor. They cause distortion of the tubal anatomy, and then there might be some problems in the tubal patency. So if the fallopian tubes are blocked, then in those cases females are not able to conceive. There are treatments available, and like in tubal cases, in most of the cases, when the tubal factor is the problem, then we definitely need to move to the IVF, because IVF is the procedure in which the fallopian tubes are bypassed, and then the patient can conceive. So these are the three important factors which needs to be taken care of, and if you are feeling that out of these any of the symptoms you are having, then you should think about it and just investigate yourself, so that you can take a proper treatment and achieve conception. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe to the channel. There are other videos also to help out, and if you have any queries regarding this, you can just post in the comment box. We will try to solve it out. Thank you.